How to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your laptop. And here once you are inside the web browser, simply open the Google Docs. And here you can open the new project, but I have saved my project before, so I'm gonna simply open that. Now here, to insert a new page in Google Docs, you just need to click at the point in your document where you want the new page to start, and after that you can simply go to the top menu and click insert and hover over break and choose page break, and just like that a blank page will be added right where you place the cursor. And that's it. That's how you can add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.